phone full of amazing photos and videos, then you could be on your way to earning real cash. There is an app that lets you turn your creativity into earning real money. Let me tell you how it works. It's available on both Android and iOS devices, and it is used worldwide. All you just need to do is to upload your photos or your videos to this platform. Buyers can purchase your content either in form of these photos or videos for $10 per video or per photo, and you get $5 for every sale you make. It is that simple. There is another way to earn on this app, which I'm going to talk about later in this video. Just make sure you watch this video to the very end. If it's your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Olako. Welcome here. Here we will find videos and tutorials that are designed to help you scale your business and explore ways to make money online. Do well to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Head over to your Play Store and search for this application, FOAP. FOAP, Sell Photos and Videos. Look at the logo, this exact one. So this application is available on both Android and iOS. If you are using an iPhone or any iOS device, just head over to your App Store and search for FOAP, FOAP. And because I have installed this already, I'll just go ahead and open it. I'll allow it load, and this is what I am saying. Sell your everyday photo, become a better photographer. All right, so you can just click on start using FOAP. I don't know the pronunciation, if it is FOAP or FOAP, so whatever. Then I will just click on create an account, and I'll enter a username. I'll put my email address, and I'll put a password. And then you click on create account after you must have put in your details. Before we proceed, you will receive an email to confirm your account. Okay, so I'll just click on that. I'll go to my email, and then I'll click on activate your account. I click on activate your account, and it directed me to my browser. So I'll just continue to the side just to have my account activated. Alright, account is successfully activated, as you can see. Under the My Portfolio, you can upload up to 4 photos. Profile with 4 photos have 90% higher chances to be chosen for collaboration by brands. So you can as well upload videos. Now let me quickly show you how you can upload photos. You click on these 3 dashes here. Can you see? And you click on Manage Portfolio, and it will bring it here. Then you click on this plus sign. So you have it's take you to your gallery. You can go ahead and choose photos that you like to upload. So I actually do not want to continue because these photos are actually private to me. I don't want to upload them for this platform. So if you want to upload videos, you click on the video tab here. You can as well upload your videos. So now, at any point in time, you can check how much you have made or when buyers purchase your photos by coming to this side. Just click on these 3 dashes here, and there you will see FOAP coin. No, it's 0 because it's a new account. It's to keep increasing here. Then here you can view your sales. It will show you how much you have made so far, your market commission, your Getty commission, your mission rewards, and your Harborn commission. So this is where you can view all your sales. So I'm on the news feed, and it's saying follow Crowd. Crowd is a new way to earn money on FOAP. So apart from you uploading your photos, you can also earn money by following people on this platform. You can always find them here. Expect new crowd each week, so check your tab regularly. So you can just follow some accounts like this, so you can earn points. When you click on the winners tab under the missions, you will see some of the photos that were submitted here. If you are good in photography, you can just create something, take pictures of elements, pictures of things around you. It doesn't necessarily have to be your own personal photo, okay? Just be creative about it, and you upload it. You set your withdrawal on this platform. Click on these 3 dashes here, and then you click on settings. Under settings, you see cash out settings. On this platform, you can receive your earnings using PayPal. All right, so you need to have a PayPal account. I have a video that shows how you can create a PayPal account. Kindly check the description box below this video for the link. So once you have entered your PayPal account, you just go ahead and enter my PayPal account here. So after I input my PayPal account and my PayPal email, I just tap on this. Your PayPal account has been successfully changed. Okay, so and that is how to set your payment. So that is just that for today's video. Just, go through the platform, explore, create beautiful photos. If AI images are not accepted on this platform, make sure they are real images that you captured yourself. I hope you found this helpful. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment if you have any questions concerning this video. I'll see you in my next video.